Hello guys, we are gonna make a rainbow bit cake from Betty Crocker. I hope you're staying safe and washing your hands. So the ingredients are a half vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk or water. We chose milk to be healthier and yummier, and 3 eggs. So before we did any of this, we needed to set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's add it. Let's add the ingredients. So we have the rainbow mix, like in all of the things we could. There's always a mix. Let's just put the mix aside, and then let's add the vegetable oil. There is our vegetable oil. Now let's add our milk. We did it! There's our milk. And now let's add our eggs. And now let's mix. So before we mix, I just wanted to tell you that we'll mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. After we mix, we'll put it in this round pan and we will bake it at, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after that, we will put some frosting. So let's mix. Put it in the pan. So guys, we put it in the pan after we mix for 2 minutes, and so we're gonna put it in the oven with our oven mitts. If you are younger than 6 years old, then please ask a parent or guardian to do this part for you. But we're gonna put it in the oven now. So guys, we've put it in the oven, and let's see how much we need to wait. 10 minutes. Wait, no, that's how much you need to cool. So 28 to 33 minutes. So we're gonna come back after 28 or 33 minutes or in between. See ya. Guys, it is frosting time, and we will add the frosting on the top and the sides. So let's start putting the frosting. after we put the frosting, we will it'll be ready to serve and eat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to have some next updates, and hit the bell beside the subscribe button, then you'll get the updates. Next cooking video, I will bake some muffins. See you later. Bye.